dollar index last week, once again forming the base at 100.6, have seen a good breakout, and specifically last couple of trading sessions it is reversed and breached past the resistance levels at 101.8 and 102. Remember, these two were very strong resistance levels. So what to expect is going to continue with this bullish reversal, or we can expect it to reverse again and trade with a drop. Which position you should take, what to expect next week, we will see with the help of charts followed with indicators. Towards the end, I will give you the levels to watch out for along with key entry prices and support and resistances. Do watch till the end, listen to it carefully, note down the levels, trade as per the levels, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the daily updates on major global markets and commodities including gold, silver, oil, net gas, Dow Jones, Nasdaq. So do watch that also. Let's start. Now look at the dollar index's movement. 100.5, 100.6 levels provided it a very good support. It tried to breach this zone multiple times but failing to do so. It is showing a bounce back, and if you look at the near term movement, you can find out it was trading in this bearish channel. It has reversed strongly. 101.8 and 102 were the two good resistances which it has breached. Now one point to note, if you can see this on the large run for last few months, you may find that 104, 105.5 are the next resistances. So is it going to breach those levels or not? Yes, if it stays above 102.7, 103 levels, you can stay long for 103.5, and then 104 levels are going to be the next target. Beyond that, further bullishness might take it till towards 105.5 levels. So these are the few resistances you should watch out for. 102.5 first target, that 102.8, and then 103, 103.5 levels you should watch out for. Definitely these levels are going to be a little more stronger resistances. Now if you look at the formation, the drop there, the retracement, the drop there, almost double bottom, the retracement. So right now it is looking upwards. Possibly it may try to hit this zone, or at least this zone. Possibility exists that it may try to reverse a bit, but this is just on the daily charts. Look at the weekly chart. Now if you track the dollar index's movement for last 10 to 15 years, you'll find it is trading in this channel, and this is slightly bullish channel. And you can see this time after hitting the bottom here at 90, it has seen a very strong rally. Now it is almost retraced to the middle point here, and now consolidating. Second point is, you can see here on the weekly charts, after forming the bottom, you can see multiple candles forming the bottom. High and lows are seen, and this time it has shown a very strong reversal candle and a flat closing here, which means it may start the next week on a bullish note, and possibility exists that it may try to take it further highs. How far it can stretch, possibly we may see at 103.5, 104 levels. These levels can also be seen. There is a good bullish momentum is seen in last 2 days. We have to wait for it to break past 102.5 and 102.8 levels. Beyond that, little more bullishness is going to take it for 103.5, 104 zone. Possibility exists that we may see those levels. Now also to note, on the weekly charts you can see this, and yes, it was, see here it was trading with some other bearish bias. Then this retracement, the slope has changed here, but now again trying to retrace. So this is the second reversal trend. Certainly I will be looking forward to 103.5, 104 zone. Very good resistance exists there. Now second part here is, see this is almost forming double bottom, so this may try to pull the prices a little high for now. Now this is on the weekly charts. Look at the monthly charts now. On the monthly charts, we did see that, look at the previous candle, the bearishness has diminished here. Look at this candle and this candle. Certainly this was a bearish candle, but here the bearishness is diminished, and now it is trying to give you exactly symmetrical candle. It may try to rise till 103, 103.5 levels and then close the month at around 102, 102.3 level. So yes, a little more bullishness can be expected, and then possibly there could be a retracement towards the end of the month till towards 102.3 levels. Now this is one observation. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators. What are the indicators are suggesting? You can see the 20, 50, 100 period moving average were previously trading with divergence, now almost running flat here. The bullishness has diminished, that is for sure. Right now it is closed on the monthly charts. For now it is trading above the 20 period moving average, which is right now situated at around 102, which was also a good resistance zone. And if you look at, see this is trading comfortably at the median of the Bollinger Bands. On the monthly charts, the stochastic is slightly oversold. There could be a potential for it to recover a bit. The MACD, on the other hand, is divergent, is bearish, is looking down, and this is where it has got a little potential for it to stress the drop for next few months. Now, potentially for now, it is trying to retrace a little. However, I will not consider this as bullish till the time it crosses over again on the monthly charts and start to look upwards. Now, see, this bearish cross has happened after a strong long bullish run, and that is where I am confident that there could be a potential that it can stretch the bear run for a little while. See this crossover here, and here it converged, then again started diverge. So possibility for next couple of months it can converge and then again start to diverge. Right now it is looking forward to a little retracement. We have to wait and watch out for how it behaves at 104 and 105.5 levels. Right now, potentially we may see a little rise for next week also. Now stochastic was overbought and has dropped a bit. This is on the monthly charts. Look at the weekly. On the weekly charts, taking the support from the 100 period simple moving average. Now you can also see the 20 and 50 period moving averages have crossed over. This is a bearish indication. Also the super trend is on sell at 106.5 limitation. The Bollinger Bandwidth at the bottom has given it a very good support at 100.5 levels. Now see, stochastic was oversold, trying to recover a bit. The MACD. Now see, the MACD for last few weeks it has traded. It has seen a vertical fall, and that is where a hope for little retracement for next couple of months exists, which might pull the prices little higher. And that is where we are coming from. That yes, it can try to attempt and achieve 105.5 levels in next few weeks or so. Right now it appears to be bullish, but in near future maybe or like you can say in medium term we can expect that dollar index has still lot much of bearishness left, and maybe in the near long term we can see it falling again. Right now though it is looking forward to retrace upside. RSI, which was its bottom, trying to recover. And if you look at the daily chart, now look at the daily charts here. The moving averages were trading with divergence have started to converge. Potentially I'll wait for it to cross over in order to confirm a rise. Stochastic back to overbought levels. The MACD have started to diverge here and it is looking upwards. Potentially it can try to bring little more bullishness on the upside here, hitting the high. So right now it is giving bullish indication. RSI is also looking upwards. So we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategy for you so that you can trade profitably. Before I provide you the levels, yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, if you want to learn the tools, techniques and strategy which can be applied across indices, commodities, forex and in fact crypto, you should join my mentorship batch. The 22nd batch starts in first week of June. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now let's start. First, where to buy. I will recommend you to buy here at 102.43, beyond which you can expect 102.8, and if it trades beyond 102.8, certainly I will look forward to 103.2, 103.5 as the next resistance. Now yes, if it stays above 103.5, the next target is directly going to be 104 and beyond that 105.5 levels. Now these levels in the near term or medium term certainly going to be a very good resistance. Rather than that, I will say till 104 levels it has got very good resistance here. Till 104 and 103 zone it has got very good resistance. We might see it getting a pullback from these levels, and hence you should be watchful and cautious of that. Now on the sell side, I will recommend you to at 102 levels, below which you can again expect 101.8, 101.5 and then 101.2 levels. Remember, if it breaks below this level 100.8 and 100.6, my favorite levels will come into picture. But this is going to be a very good support zone. I don't see it breaking now any point of time soon. Possibly we can see it trading bullish. We may not see these levels again, and hence there could be little more rise. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, join my mentorship by join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also note that do not get trapped into any investment scheme which can give you multifold return and promise you to guarantee you to deliver multifold return in quick time. There is no shortcut to quick, and hence refrain from anyone. Remember, me or my social media handle does not approach anyone until and unless we have communicated earlier. I will not send you a message from my side, and hence please report anyone and everyone who is coming to you on my name, taking my identity, faking my identity. Please report them if they comes with the investment scheme. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.